because you deserve it. Alrighty. Let's go. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. I think it has been a while since we got Crazy Time with the multiplier with me. Everything is being multiplied, basically. Right? Let's make it more juicy. Come on. Okay. Everything was multiplied. Decision time. Very important. Green, blue, or yellow. Alana says, what color? My mom's favorite color is green, but a lot of players choose blue. And, yeah, some players choose yellow. 1000x is the highest. Oh, come on. Let's get it. Please. Can we get 1,000? That would be a new record for me in this game in general, right? Like in this host game in general. I've never gotten 1,000. Yep. 75, 125, 250. Yellow team. ABC. You guessed correctly. 250x for yellow. Nice catch. Woo! Finally a decent crazy time for me. 615,000 plus 200 for Drumsy. Sham Stiggles in the top as well. 240,000. Hey, are you looking for a best friend? $250,000 was the biggest win. Wow. There we go. You put 10 bucks.
This is good. This is awesome. All right, let's go. What's up, people? Welcome to Crazy Time. Yo, 2x Topslot. That's awesome. All right, look at that. Look at that. Yo, how's the wheel looking? All right, let's double everything. Hey, come on, man. What is it? What is it? All right, well, choose your colors. Yo, a lot of doubles here. Okay, choose your colors. Auto pick is available also. Right. Yo, 200x. I think we can do it. Come on, people, let's get it. Teach me how to do it. Yeah, teach me how to do it. Ah, hit the nay-nay. Ooh, blue, you got the double. Nice. Yo, blue on top right now with that double. Yeah. Look at that. So, double. After double, 400x max multi, right? Yes, sir. Yo, blue team, let's go. Sheesh. Yo, blue, that's awesome. 200x. Sheesh. All right, congratulations to all the winners. Top winners being Yomanaki Sham.
How old are you even? I never knew how old are you. And finally, with your comments in the chats, it's gonna make me go to recap and I say, okay, let's go. That's my recap. Let's see my husband Penguin. So let's see those dancing penguins and good luck to you. And good luck to you. Finally, we got a key, very fast one in the session. So we have green, blue, and yellow. Choose a flapper or wait for Oxford. Hopefully someone will got that double. It's been a while since the last race time, so enjoy the moment. Blue's the most shows one. 200x the highest one. Good luck. Ayo, we got 200x. 200.
Congratulations to all their own winners. Well, Can we get a crazy sound for this one? Yep, so it's going to be a crazy time. Come along. Well, welcome. Please enjoy the sight. Ladies and gentlemen, please pick your flopper, green, blue or yellow. Make your decision and let's see what are we going to get from this round. As a pick option is also available. And not. The highest multi is 100x. Good luck with that. Or a W, guys. Double for the blue team. Now, the highest multiplier is the beautiful 200x. Good luck with that, or yet another double. One more double. Now, the highest multiplier is a beautiful 400x. Good luck with that, or yet another double. Come on, let's go again. One more double. The highest multiplier is a beautiful 800x. Good luck with that. Or might another double, who knows? One more double. That is actually crazy, you guys. Now the highest multiplier is a beautiful 1600x. Good luck with that. Or yet another double. Why not? Woo! 400x for you. So, 25,410. Congratulations, Team Blue.
Those seconds, faster close. There we go. I'll take a flip 20x, yeah, buddy! I told you I always can make the magic. The question is, how much it's gonna be? How much? How much? Woohoo! I'm feeling that spirit. Spirit, the magic of the Christmas. Red one, blue one. There we go. That's how it works. We just needed to wait just a little bit. 15x and 5x, 20x Topslot. There we go. 300x or actually, both of them are looking pretty good. But we hungry. At least Bobby hungry. We want to get that juicy 300x. Yeah! There we go! Make, yeah, buddy! Yeah! 300x. Boom! Boom! Shakalaka boom! There we go! I always believe in myself. 1,684 players with his Francesco. 10,000 euro win with a 300x on the coin flip.